Number 6, we are looking to find the volume of this object here. This is a prism, and the volume is going to be defined as the length times width times the height. Okay, where this is coming from is the original formula of volume equals to base area, and we are going to stack it a height. And the base area here is this rectangle right here, base area. And that base area is defined by length times width. That is where we're getting length times width times height. All right, so we can plug it in. 10 times 5 times 6. And that should get us our volume. 10 times 5 times 6. That should be 300. And it is inches cubed.